Naghahabol ako guys, nag-init na siya dito banda. Ayun. It looks very nature guys. So, ay, very good. Nag-init pa guys. Hopefully na hindi pa ito magbagsak ang ulan. Diba? So, dito na naman ako guys. This moment, nagmamadali na din tayo. Kasi the rain is, it will be coming maybe guys. So, andun si Doggy. Ang laki ng guyaba doon. Oh. Si Doggy is smiling. Ang laki ng guyaba guys. Oh, walang nanguha. Hindi pa hinarbest. So, yun. Ang update natin guys. This moment, going na naman ako sa labas. Ngayon lang ako nakaano guys. Matapos sa busy sa bahay. So, this moment mo lang tayo nakalabas guys. Ayan. So, enjoy walking. So, gusto ko lang man din maglakad dito guys kasi it feels fresh lang man din guys, no? Kahit gaano kainit, pag dito ka na banda, so it feel very fresh. Yun. Enjoy the moment while walking. So, kayo dyan guys. How's your update din dyan guys? Kayo dyan. I hope you have a nice day din. No? And a great day. Walking is real. And exercise then. It feels good. Ayun. Dinaanan lang tayo guys. Ang galing. Sa gabi. Ayun guys. So, yun, malalaki talagang mga kahoy dito guys. So, you need to minimize your voice. Alam mo na guys, no, hindi lang tayo. So, walking. Feel fresh guys. As you can see the nature guys at my back. Diba? So, kayo dyan guys. I hope you have a nice day. Yun lang ang update natin guys. Thank you for watching. See you next again. Keep safe. Bye.